Even with the possibility of a US ban on the horizon, DJI is quietly preparing for 2025, showing no signs of slowing down. While there's no official product roadmap, leaks and regulatory filings give us a glimpse into what the future might hold. From compact drones to smarter action cameras, DJI is sticking to what it does best, delivering versatile tools for content creators and drone enthusiasts. Let's take a closer look at the potential lineup for the coming year. The DJI Flip, an upcoming sub-250G drone, is shaping up to be a standout in DJI's 2025 lineup. With its rumored folding design, the Flip combines portability and advanced features, potentially filling the gap between DJI's beginner-friendly drones and their high-performance mini-series. If accurate, its compact frame and full-surface propeller protection could make it a safe and user-friendly option for both novice and experienced pilots. Rumored features include a lidar-based obstacle avoidance system, usually reserved for DJI's premium drones like the Air 3S, and an array of automated quickshots modes, such as Droney, Rocket, and Helix. This focus on AI-driven ease of use points to the Flip being a content creator-friendly device. The Flip is also rumored to pack a 1 by 1.3-inch CMOS sensor, capable of 4K 60 FPS HDR video, with ND filter compatibility for cinematic quality. Its 3,110 mAh battery could deliver an impressive 31 minutes of flight time per charge, while DJI's OcuSync 4.0 transmission might ensure better range and signal stability. Expected to launch in 3 configurations: base unit, RC2 bundle, and Fly More combo, the Flip is speculated to make its debut in January 2025 at CES. While details remain unconfirmed, it's shaping up to be an exciting addition to DJI's lineup. Rumors about the DJI Mini 5 Pro are gaining traction, fueled by leaks from credible sources like Jasper Ellens. Despite initial skepticism about pushing further innovation while staying under the 249-gram weight limit, recent spy photos suggest DJI might have cracked the code. The rumored airframe keeps the drone within the lightweight category, maintaining its compliance with global drone regulations. Leaked images hint at new vented motors, presumably more powerful than previous iterations, while staying within the strict weight constraints. This balance could suggest a compromise elsewhere, likely in the battery design, though no specific details have emerged yet. The addition of DJI LiDAR, reportedly borrowed from the Air 3S, would mark a significant leap for the Mini series, bringing advanced obstacle detection and safety features to this compact drone. Positioned as a lightweight and compact entry-level drone, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to continue appealing to beginners and enthusiasts alike. Speculated to launch in the summer of 2025, this drone could represent a refinement of the already impressive Mini 4 Pro. While these details remain unconfirmed, the growing credibility of the rumors makes the Mini 5 Pro an exciting prospect for the year ahead. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro has become the center of attention following a wave of leaked photos and videos showcasing its prototype. Shared by insiders, the images reveal a distinct redesign featuring a more substantial frame, enhanced gimbal, and an intriguing LiDAR sensor array. This new configuration hints at significant improvements in imaging and spatial awareness technology. The prototype, seen with testing stickers and operated by DJI test pilots, suggests a step up in size and capabilities from the Mavic 3. One notable addition is the LiDAR sensor array mounted above the battery. Industry experts speculate that DJI may include dual LiDAR arrays, complementing the 6-directional obstacle sensing system and potentially offering unmatched spatial awareness. Leaked controller screenshots hint at impressive performance, with a 92% battery showing a remaining flight time of over 43 minutes, indicating a potential maximum flight time of 47 minutes. Storage also sees a major upgrade, with the Mavic 4 Pro rumored to include 2 terabytes of internal storage and support for microSD cards up to 2 terabytes, positioning it as a top choice for professional cinematographers and data specialists. With FCC filings revealing 2 models, L3A and L3B, and confirming a robust 6,654 mAh battery, the Mavic 4 Pro's launch could be imminent, potentially arriving in early 2025. If the leaks hold true, this drone is set to be a major asset for advanced users. The rumored DJI Osmo 360 could mark DJI's first foray into the 360-degree camera market. Leaked schematics and renderings, reported by Photo Rumors and Hakasushi, showcase a dual-lens design with lenses positioned on both the front and back, enabling seamless 360-degree capture. Its compact form factor includes a front-facing display and a simple control interface with power and quick settings buttons, making it user-friendly for creators of all levels. Regulatory filings reveal the camera's model number, OQ001, manufactured by SZ DJI Osmo Technology Company. Limited, the documentation highlights careful design for wireless connectivity, ensuring smooth operation in various shooting conditions. The Osmo 360 is expected to feature precise dimensions and antenna placements for optimal connectivity, with testing conducted in early September 2024 and an issue date shortly after. The device is likely to launch in early 2025. If the leaks are accurate, the DJI Osmo 360 could bring DJI's renowned quality and innovation to the competitive 360-degree camera space, offering content creators a new tool for immersive storytelling. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is rumored to bring a host of exciting upgrades to DJI's compact handheld camera lineup, making it an appealing option for vloggers, travelers, and content creators. Leaks suggest the device will feature a larger 2.5-inch rotating touchscreen with a brightness of 800 nits, addressing visibility issues in bright environments. Its slightly heavier design, at 190 grams, is expected to enhance ergonomics with improved grip texture and button placement. On the camera front, the Osmo Pocket 4 is rumored to include a 1-inch CMOS sensor paired with a 20mm f2.0 lens, offering sharper images and improved low-light performance. Video capabilities could see a major boost with 4K recording at 240 FPS, doubling the slow-motion potential of its predecessor. Its signature 3-axis gimbal is also expected to return, ensuring smooth stabilization for dynamic filming scenarios. Additional improvements might include ActiveTrack 7.0 with phase detection and eye tracking, providing more reliable autofocus. Enhanced power efficiency could extend recording times, and fast charging is rumored to allow a full charge in just 25 minutes. With features like 10-bit color depth, HDR recording, and real-time HDR previews, the Osmo Pocket 4 seems poised to become a must-have for creators if the leaks hold true. The DJI Osmo Action 6 appears to be on the horizon, with regulatory filings providing key insights into its development. Despite the Osmo Action 5 Pro being released just a few months ago in mid-September, evidence from FCC and SGS filings suggests that DJI is already preparing a successor. The camera, identified by the model number AC006, is expected to be officially named the Osmo Action 6. The filings reveal that the Osmo Action 6 will support both Bluetooth 5.1 and dual-band Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, ensuring improved connectivity and faster data transfer speeds. Additionally, 2 battery options have been mentioned: a 1,770 mAh battery and a larger 1,950 mAh version, potentially offering extended recording times for creators on the go. While other details remain under wraps, the rapid development cycle and updated connectivity features hint at incremental yet meaningful upgrades. The Osmo Action 6 is anticipated to debut early next year, providing action camera enthusiasts with an option that builds on the strong foundation of its predecessor. The DJI Air 4 has sparked speculation following a leaked image shared by DJI insider Jasper Ellens. While the image lacks clarity, it showcases a drone in a folded position, suggesting a compact and portable design reminiscent of previous DJI Air models. The image shows the drone in a folded position, consistent with the compact and portable design that has defined the Air lineup. Notably, the camera setup appears to resemble the advanced system on the DJI Mavic 3 Pro, leading to speculation about a triple lens or triple camera configuration. If accurate, this could introduce significantly enhanced imaging capabilities, potentially featuring a larger sensor for improved video and photographic quality. The design hints at DJI's continued emphasis on portability without sacrificing performance. The DJI RC Track is rumored to introduce a groundbreaking minimalist solution for drone pilots, focusing on intuitive and accessible operation. Leaks from DJI insider Jasper Ellens suggest this sleek, compact controller will enhance Follow Me mode capabilities for drones like the anticipated Air 4 or Air 3S, allowing users to achieve dynamic shots with ease. Key features reportedly include voice-controlled functionality, enabling hands-free commands for tasks such as takeoff, enabling tracking, switching angles, returning to home, and landing. This hands-free approach could be a game-changer for solo operators and content creators, capturing fast-paced action like cycling or vehicle tracking. The RC Track's design, as shown in leaked images, features a circular interface with directional controls, a central button, LED indicators, and side buttons for additional functions. With connectivity through the DJI Fly app, users can preview footage, adjust settings, and even set the drone to hover above the RC for enhanced safety. The RC Track's range is said to be up to 100 meters, making it an ideal accessory for close proximity shooting. By combining voice control, advanced tracking, and user-friendly design, the DJI RC Track lowers the barrier for creative aerial videography. If these leaks hold true, this accessory could redefine how drones are operated, offering simplicity and precision to both beginners and seasoned pilots. DJI's 2025 lineup emphasizes smarter, more user-friendly technology across its devices. By integrating AI-powered features like tracking, gesture recognition, and real-time image processing, DJI aims to simplify operation while maintaining functionality. Autonomous flight patterns, enhanced power management, and intuitive user interfaces are expected to make the devices accessible to a broad range of users, from beginners to professionals. These features allow creators to focus on storytelling rather than technical details, ensuring a seamless experience. The shift toward AI-driven innovation highlights DJI's commitment to balancing ease of use with advanced capabilities, aligning with the industry trend of making cutting-edge tools more approachable. Whether through drones or handheld cameras, these advancements demonstrate DJI's focus on delivering performance and accessibility without compromise, providing users with tools that enable creative freedom and versatility. If the leaks are accurate, DJI is poised for another busy year. Early releases like the Mavic 4 Pro and Osmo Pocket 4 might kick things off, followed by models like the Mini 5 Pro and Osmo Action 6 later in 2025. Instead of revolutionary leaps, the focus seems to be on refining existing designs, adding thoughtful upgrades, and exploring new categories like 360-degree cameras. For users, these updates represent steady progress rather than dramatic shifts. DJI's 2025 lineup could provide more options for creators of all levels, while keeping the tools approachable and versatile. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, there's plenty to look forward to, without the need for overhyped expectations.